Hi there, Justin Brickright. So here we are, we were doing it now. So we've got seen a previous photograph of us digging this soakaway out. So we've got our lobster pots now. Hopefully we'll catch some lobsters on the weekend, but no, in all seriousness. So we've got these crates now for the soakaway. So we're starting to do it. So we've got this Taram weed membrane, this weed suppressor membrane in here. So this is not going to let any weeds come through, but it will let the water go through. So we've lapped this. I don't know if you can get this at the bottom. It's right at the bottom. And in here, look, you can just see this. We've got 100 ml of our clean stone right in there. Look, that's the base. And then we've completely wrapped this around with this Taram. And then we've got these crates going in. So they connect by putting that in there. And that goes in there, and then the other one sits on top, so it's pretty good. But what we've done on top of it as well is you can get clips, but there is no clips available, so it's not a problem. We've got these zip ties that we've put here, look, you see that there, zip tie there, zip tie here, zip tie there, that ain't going anywhere. And then on this outer side here, it's supposed to be a minimum of 100 ml, so we got more than that around the perimeter. And then once this weed membrane gets on top of here, what we'll do, we'll encase that, and then we'll tape this with duct tape, so it's all encased, wrapped up like a nice neat little parcel for your missus. And we'll just carry on, wrap all this up, put the stone around the side, connect the pipe into it through one of these holes up at this section, and then we'll show you that again. So I just wanted to show you how these go together. So they're pretty easy. So grab your lobster pot. Make sure that's out of your way. So there we are. Get the shovel on there. Right, so put that in there. Like that. So stick that tight up now to the last one. There we are. And then you just get these two little plugs there. And you get this one. Just in there. Like that. So he's in. So what we'll do now, we'll zip tie all this together so it's all nice and even. And then Brad told me to order 20 square meters of this. Brad, didn't you've got it wrong? Look, Brad. So Brad's the one to blame for not ordering enough weed membrane. I'm the one to blame for not ordering the weed membrane. I got it wrong, so we're gonna have to get some more. So I thought we'd show you. So that's where we are with it. So these are really good now. So these are going to hold a lot more water than your conventional chip-ins. So I'm a big fan of this. We've got another one going in here now, and then we'll connect all that up in there and get it all working. So we will be back. We will show you a little bit more. If you haven't used these before, then they're great. So you can drive on these as well. As some of them come as like a 40-ton weight limit. Some of them are like a 75-ton weight limit. So Brad, if you were to walk on them, you'd need the 75-ton weight limit, wouldn't you?
Yeah, no.
With all those cream eggs rattling around in your stomach. So anyway, so there we are. Any questions on these? Or if you've got, I mean, I haven't done these a lot, but they're pretty foolproof. It's not rocket science to do it, but it's a really good way, a really good system. So we'll wrap this on top now, and then we'll get another 100 ml of clean chip-ins all the way around the underneath, the sides and the top. Wrap it all up, and then you just put your earth then, so you've got this put to one side, which will go back on top, and then your soakaway's good to go. So hope it's helped you. Have a good weekend, and see you soon. Cheers.